Hey everyone, what's up? So today I'm going to teach you on how to create a video ad creative. So which means we are going to create a video that your client will be able to use for Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or even YouTube or Google ads. So for example, you have an e-commerce client which sells different products. All right. So for example, this is your client's website. So first, you have to select what product you would like to focus on, or you can ask your client. Once you have selected the product, you can ask if your client has a raw video, or if not, you'll just have to use the images. But if your client have, then you can use the video itself. So for example, this video. So since there is already a video and the video also looks good, so then we are going to use this video for our video ad creative. So just download the video and save it to your computer. And then the next thing that we're gonna need is ChatGPT. So upload the video to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a script. Create a script for this video. I will add an AI voice. Here are the details of this product. This is an electric head massager. Number 2. Oops, ano nangyari? Number 2, I am targeting whoever needs this, especially people who are constantly stressed and having headache while working. So next info is of course the benefits are relieving stress and please add more. Okay, number 4 naman is click to action message is buy now or order today. We are free shipping and this is on sale at check the price $49 from $89. Okay, let's go. Okay, all right. Hoy, mukhang mahaba masyado ah.
Here is a script for your video showcasing the electric head massager.
All right.
Opening shot, a person looking stressed while working at a desk, massaging their temples. Are you constantly stressed and battling headaches while trying to get your work done?
Okay.
Cut to.
Okay na ChatGPT. Salamat. So, next na kailangan natin is, of course, CapCut. So, just go to CapCut.com. And then, by the way, this is free. Of course, if you are using TikTok, no, you are familiar with CapCut. But right now, we are going to use the desktop version. Hindi tayo gagamit ng mobile version. So, next thing that we're going to do is, of course, we're going to click new video. And then, yung video natin na dinownload ng ano natin, video ng client. Oops. So, upload mo lang, drag mo lang guys. Drag lang yung video. Okay? Alright. So, next thing that you need to do, once the video is already uploaded, just move this because we need this part. So, next is go to text and add body text. This small body text will do. Alright, so just adjust this one and then move this and then adjust this text body and then go back to your script, copy the first one and then go back to your video, select all and then paste. No need to delete, just select all and paste and then adjust it. Click the text, adjust it. If you see, okay, walang period or walang comma, so ang gagawin natin, tayo na lang yung mag-a-adjust. So, nilagyan natin ng break. So, nag-enter tayo para at least magkasya yung text. And then, we're going to select this one. So, adjust naman natin yung text ngayon here. So, just select centered para at least, ayan, naka-center siya, di ba? Ayan. So, adjust mo pa rin siya manually. Okay? And then, click text to speech or mamaya na lang. Mamaya na natin gagalawin yan. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna click this. Ayan. Click natin yan. Copy. Control C. And then, punta tayo dito. Iurong lang natin to kasi kapag dito natin pinaste, mapapatungan yung text natin. So, dito lang. Dito mo na lang. Control V. Ayan. So, next, ito naman yung i-edit mo. Punta ka ulit sa ChatGPT. And then, copy the text. And then, go back to your video editor. And then, paste. Select all lang. Then, paste. Goods na yun. Tapos, etong may extra space. Delete mo lang. Okay, may extra space ulit sa baba. Delete mo ulit. Okay, ayan. Tapos, igitna mo ulit yung text. Ayan. And then, go back to your, to the script. Copy. Adjust mo to ulit. And then, paste. Adjust mo ulit yung text. Punta ka ng ChatGPT. Copy. And then, select all. Delete. So, may extra space na naman. Delete. Backspace lang, guys. And then, center it. Okay na. And then, copy ulit. And then, adjust lang to kung saan mo gusto mapunta. Ayan, text. So, ayan. Adjust natin siya sa gitna. Balik tayo kay ChatGPT. Copy ulit. Select all. Paste. May sobra ulit sa baba. Delete. Tapos, igitla lang natin yan. Medyo mahaba yung text. So, iurong lang natin to. I-adjust natin to. Para, if ever, magkasya pa siya. Ayan. Kahit pa, kaso masyadong siksik sa gilid. So, ganyan na lang siguro. Tapos, igitna natin. Okay na yan. Tapos, ito ulit. Copy. Then, adjust natin to ulit. Paste. So, paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin natin hanggang sa makopy natin lahat. So, ayan. Paste. Delete ulit. And then, adjust natin ulit yan. Copy ulit. Tapos, urong. Ayan, paste. Balik tayo kay ChatGPT. Copy. And then, balik tayo kay editor. Select all. Paste. Then, delete ulit. Ayan. Tapos, copy ulit. Paste. Balik tayo kay ChatGPT. Copy ulit. Paste. Parang napahaba yata yung ni ChatGPT. Pero malalaman natin yan mamaya. Copy ulit. And then paste. Tapos balikan natin. Tapos paste. Tama ba? Okay, copy ulit. Ay, hindi natin ito na copy paste na yan. So, tingnan natin kung kakasya pa. Kung kakasya pa, pwede natin ito idagdag. Pero kung hindi nakakasya, edi wala na. So, ang gagawin naman natin sunod is pwede natin ito i-select all. Ay, ayaw. Hindi pwede select all. So, isa-isa na lang. So, copy mo itong munang first. Click mo yung first na text. And then, text to speech, commercial use. Make sure na naka-click to yung commercial use para professional yung voice. And then, serious. And then, wait, kung makikita nyo to, applying text to speech. Okay na. Speech generated. Dito tayo sa pangalawa. Text to speech ulit. Serious. And then, wait mo lang matapos bago ka mag-click. So, wala kang pipindutin. Text to speech ulit. Serious ulit. So, paulit-ulit lang hanggang matapos mo. So, as you can see guys, itong video na to, we are already 10 minutes, no? Pero halos patapos na tayo. Ibig sabihin, within 15 minutes, kaya pala natin tong gawin. So, in a day, makakagawa pala tayo ng sobrang daming video edits. Text to speech ulit. Serious. Tapos, text to speech ulit. Serious. Ito ulit. Text to speech. Serious. And then, last one, text to speech. Serious. So, ngayon, i-adjust naman natin to para maging maayos yung tunog. Kasi kung papakinggan nyo yung or i-play nyo yung video, ito guys, play natin yung video.
Are you constantly stressed and battling headaches while trying to get your work done? Introducing the electric head massager.
Ayun, so nakita nyo, medyo mahaba yung pause, no? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, ididikit-dikit natin siya. So, first, didikit natin dyan, didikit natin yan, didikit natin yan. Ito, lagay na lang natin dito sa ibabaw para dikit-dikit sila. One line lang. Oops, as you can see, parang sakto. Sakto ba? Boom, sobra lang konti. Sumobra ng konti, ma-adjust pa natin yung video. Hindi natin ma-adjust yung video eh. So, ibig sabihin, tingnan natin yung last text. Baka pwede na natin tong i-delete. Ano ba yung sabi sa last text? Ito. Don't wait, buy now and experience the relief you deserve. Visit our website or call today. So, delete na lang natin yan. Since meron na naman tayong ito eh, order now. Ito, play natin para marinig nyo.
And take advantage of our special offer.
Okay. So, mayroon pa tayong adjustment na gagawin. So, before natin ayusin, kasi kung maririnig nyo, ang lakas ng background music, di ba? So, ang gagawin muna natin, i-align muna natin itong yung text sa voice. Ayan. So, gagawin nyo, itatapat nyo lang yan dyan. Ito naman, itatapat nyo lang din. So, dapat nakapantay yung text sa voice. Okay? Kung nasan siya. Ayan. So, pantay na. Oops. Ayan. Pantay na sila. Ito ulit. Idadrag lang yan, guys. Idadrag. Ayan. Pantay na siya. Ayan, pantay na. Pantay. Okay. Pantay na. Okay na. Ito, urong na lang natin dyan. And then, tanggalin natin to. Nakagitna ba yung text to speech natin? Yung text natin, basic text, nakagitna naman siya. Kaso nga lang, ayan. Burahin natin yung extra space, hindi pala natin ito nabura. So, ayan. Check natin kung may mga mali pa tayo sa kabila. Okay na, goods na lahat. So, since everything is already aligned, i-adjust na natin yung background music na maingay. So, ito yun. Sa video yun, sa original na video yung maingay. So, ang gagawin natin, click nyo lang yung video. Ayan, nakaklik yung video. And then, click audio. And then, yung volume, babaan nyo yung decibel into siguro mga 10. Ayan. Negative 10. Ay. Oops. Negative 10. Ayan. So, play natin ulit.
Are you constantly stressed and battling headaches while trying to get your work done? Introducing the electric head massager. Your ultimate solution to stress and tension relief, designed for those who need it most. This massager offers unparalleled comfort and relaxation. Our electric head massager features advanced technology that
Ayun. So, kung nakita nyo naman, in just 15 minutes, nakatapos tayo. So, i-export na natin. All you have to do is click export and then download. So, in just 15 minutes, nakakagawa ka kaagad ng, ayan, resolution 1080, high quality, 30 frames per second, format, export. So, that's it. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and magamit nyo para sa business nyo or para sa clients nyo. Alright, thank you.